Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to do a margin loan on M1 Finance. As you can see, I'm eligible for 2% borrowing, right? And let me scroll down here and show you. So you can borrow up to 35% of your portfolio. But to unlock this, you need to have at least $10,000 invested. And to get this rate of 2%, you need to have M1 Pro. But otherwise, you just come here, click on borrow. As you can see, this is my account. I've borrowed $500 before, and I've even repaid this. And you can see right here how much my credit limit is and how much of it I am currently borrowing, your interest you have accrued. So to borrow, you just click on borrow, enter the amount, and to pay back, you just come click on a payback. As you can see, my rate is 2% since I have M1 Pro. So I had borrowed and I repaid them, right? But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.